Uh, this Panda board based on OMA 4430, connected with Ethernet connectivity, and USB keyboard connected with USB, and mouse connected with an USB, and then we have SD card to boot, that is with the 2 GB SD card. It was formatted with FAT file system for boot images, and ext3 file system for Android file systems mounted with that. And we are having the HDMI high definition multimedia interface cable connected with an HDTV to show the Android demo. Now we are plugging in that board. If you're powering on the board, its board get booting up. Your bootloader gets up. Now it's trying to boot the kernel. It's booting the kernel now, and it's detected the USB keyboard and mouse over here, and now it will start the Android. It's detecting that Bluetooth, and since it contains Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interfaces of TIWI R2 module, it has that it initializes that Bluetooth driver for TIWI link, and it started the Zygote with the 32-bit capabilities, and now the screen started now with the Android. Yes, it comes up. Now we can use the mouse as an input device to unlock the system. Yes, got unlocked. Yes, I am. Now we can go to the Android menu. Now we can enable now wireless and networks. It was connected to my network called Nivi. It was access point Nivi, our Nivi Communication Technologies access point, and the Bluetooth also enabled, and by default that make device discoverable. It has to be discoverable for another device to access. Let us see first. We can see the Bluetooth first. Yeah, we are turning on the Bluetooth. And now we are scanning for devices. Yes. And it's connected with wireless access point Nivi. And we can browse now. The system is get booted up with Android sources location. Then we are going back. Now we can choose the calculator. It's a normal calculator. We can do the calculations. 9/6 equal to 96. It's just a small thing, and we can go back and we can have the calendar to enable the calendar settings, and we are having a clock. It shows the time of the current night, and we can go back to the home, and we can navigate the launcher icons. Yes, by using the mouse pad, and we can do the things. And yes, the Android application is not installed in your phone. Yeah, we are having some work to do with the Android and integrations on the Gingerbird, and yes, it looks good for our another work. Thanks very much.